In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service list to your Wix website. Whether you're offering professional services or running a small business, presenting your offerings clearly and attractively is key to engaging potential clients. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you have a sleek and efficient service page up and running in no time. First, start by logging into Wix.com and opening your website. Once logged in, navigate to the page where you want to add the service list. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can create a new services page dedicated entirely to showcasing what you have to offer. Making sure your services are easy to find on your website is crucial to keeping visitors engaged. Next, let's add that service list. For this, we'll use the powerful repeater elements on Wix. Begin by going to Add, then List, followed by selecting Repeater. You'll see options for different layout templates like grid, vertical, or horizontal. Choose the one that best suits your style. Once you have selected your layout, customize each item in your list. You'll want to include a title, which will be the name of the service, a short description to inform potential clients precisely what they're looking at, and an image or icon to visually represent each service. Adding a button is optional, but it can be a great way to link each service to a more detailed page. Repeaters are particularly useful because they allow you to add or update services dynamically, saving you both time and effort when your list changes. Once you've added your services, it's important to make sure the design and layout reflect your brand. Adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and icons to correspond with your overall website aesthetic. Adding hover effects can also enhance interactivity, making the page feel more dynamic to visitors. Don't forget to ensure that your design is mobile responsive using Wix's mobile editor. This consistency in design not only makes your page look professional, but also helps build trust with your audience. Now, it's time to add a compelling call to action, or CTA. A strong CTA can motivate visitors to move forward with your offerings, so include one prominently at the bottom of your page. This could be a book now button, contact us prompt, or a learn more option. Link your CTA directly to your booking page, contact form, or detailed service page to make interaction seamless. Finally, before publishing, preview your new service page on both desktop and mobile versions. This step is crucial to catch any discrepancies in layout or functionality. Test all links and buttons to ensure everything operates smoothly. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your service page live and accessible to the world. Congratulations, you've just enhanced your web presence and made it easier for clients to learn about what you offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.